Today, American Express reported their first quarter 2022 earnings with earnings per share of $2.73, where the revenue grew by 29% year on year. Overall, the results were pretty good in terms of beating the estimates. The estimate was around or below $2.50 per share, and the actual earnings per share were much higher. Earnings per share increased on year basis at 56.9% and on quarter basis 20.26%, whereas the total revenue increased on quarter basis of 10%. Overall, the results were very good. The company said it continues to expect 2022 earnings of $9.25 to $9.65 per share on revenue of between 50 to 51 billion dollars. The total network volume also increased by 30%, and total revenue net of interest expense increased by 29%. Total provision for credit losses also decreased significantly from $675 million to $33 million on a year-on-year basis. Today, SAP also declared their first quarter 2022 earnings, which was much below than expected. The earnings were $1.08 per share on revenue of $7.9 billion. The expected earnings were somewhere around 1.23 to 1.25 dollars per share. The company reported that current cloud backlog approached 10 billion euros, which is up by 28%. SAP S/4HANA cloud revenue increased significantly, up 78%, and SAP S/4HANA current cloud backlog expanded even further by 86%. While the cloud revenue increased by 31%, software licenses actually decreased by 34% year on year, and software support increased by 4%. Cloud and software revenue combined increased by 12%, and total revenue increased by 11%. Earnings per share declined by 29%.